We are continuing with something which is called as manganese. Primarily, manganese is going to be used in making steel. Now, a little bit of deviation. Normal iron, low cut. We are going to add something called as manganese, that is again a mineral, a metal. Both are going to create something called as alloy. And this alloy is named as steel. Furthermore, addition into it of carbon, we will be having stainless steel. So variation is there. Only about the it is mainly used to make steel from iron. Other uses of manganese. We are talking about the chemical industry, and which chemical industry we have got is bleaching powder. Other day we had learnt about its formula also. It is CaOCl2. Insecticides, those chemicals which are used for killing insects. Basically those insects which are harmful to us, or industry called as agriculture. Unke liye. Might have seen those Nagarpalika persons spraying certain chemicals for killing the mosquitoes. So those are insecticides specifically for mosquitoes. So same way we have got is for cockroach and all those, house flies or something. So those insecticides. Dry battery cells. When we talk about those dry battery cells, these are those small, at least you remember about one you can see in the remotes. So those are dry battery cells. They are not liquid. There are two types of batteries. We have got one which has got some liquid added to it, and the other happens to be dry, which we have got in a smaller proportion and found in those remotes. And tiles. Now same tiles which we are going to learn later on also when we will be talking about is the limestone. तो limestone के अंदर में मैंगनीज का ऐड किया जाता है ताकि हमको टाइल्स की शाइन मिल सके. Also used for in leather industry, and when we have got the place leather industry, underline it and place a word tanning. The word is TANNANG. Tanning is a process in which the raw hide is going to get converted into usable leather. You use the wallets, you use the belts, the shoes, but it is not made from that skin right away. That skin need to undergo certain processes so that it becomes more durable. And that process is called as tanning, and in that we require something called as manganese. तो खाल से जब हम चमड़े में कन्वर्ट कर, दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन टू से. तो खाल अलग है. You have got the goat skin, the cow skin, the buffalo skin, the camel skin. That needs to be getting converted into leather. So skin is soft, and leather which you use, it's more sturdy, more durable. So it has to undergo certain process, and that process is called as tanning. It is also used in leather industry, glass industry, matchbox industry. Now matchbox manufacturing requires manganese into it. Photography. Now here mention about is, we are not talking about a digital photography, we are talking about is the normal photography in which we used to have those prints carried out. Polaroids, yes, it can be one of them. China clay utensils, colored bricks. The rail made out of steel and rod becomes more flexible and strong when manganese is mixed with it, and steel is used in the machine to break rocks. So we are talking about those big machines which are used to crack open big rocks. We call them as the drillers. So they drill open, and drill need to be much more strong, much more durable, so that keeps on digging. You might have seen those things at least in movies and all those stuff. तो वो चीज के अंदर में हमको स्टील चाहिए जो ज्यादा सख्त रहेगा ताकि हम बड़े पत्थरों को तोड़ पाए. Where all do we find manganese available in India? अगेन वी हैव टू कंसंट्रेट इन द सदर्न पेनिनसुला, वहीं पर साउथ इंडिया में ही हमको पेनिनसुलर रीजन में ही अपने आप को कंसंट्रेट कर देना है। लोकेशंस कौन सी बताई गई? वी गॉट ओडिशा, वी हैव गॉट कर्नाटका, वी हैव गॉट दिस मध्य प्रदेश, गोवा। सो अगेन वी हैव गॉट इज द नॉर्दर्न बेल्ट ऑफ द प्लेट्यू, northern part of plateau. Apart from it, we have got manganese also obtained from Andhra, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Gujarat state. Now Gujarat happens to be this Sabarkantha area, that is north Gujarat, where we have got those manganese mines available. तो ये एक छोटा सा पॉइंट याद रखने का। कॉपर, द नेक्स्ट वन, we have to remember about that old story again. पुरानी वाली स्टोरी क्या थी हमारे पास में? We had developed through certain ages. The oldest age was the Stone Age, followed by the Metal Age. And Metal Age itself was divided into three parts. The earliest one was copper, then was bronze, and then we had iron. So we had three metals dominating our lifestyle, जिनकी वजह से हम जीना सीख रहे थे उस समय, 10, 15, 20 हजार साल पहले की बात है ये। तो इनके अंदर में डेवलपमेंट आता दिखाई दिया, और इसीलिए सबसे पहला जो मेटल ह्यूमंस ने एक्सट्रैक्ट और यूज दोनों किए, उसके अंदर में नाम आ जाता है कॉपर। कॉपर की खासियत क्या है? इट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ऑफ मिक्सिंग प्रॉपर्टी। नाउ मिक्सिंग प्रॉपर्टी वहां पर अंडरलाइन करके, बिकॉज यूर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो यू कैन टॉक अबाउट समथिंग कॉल्ड एज एलॉयज। तो यहां पर इसकी खासियत है कि दूसरे मेटल से आराम से मिक्स हो जाता है और एक नया कॉम्बिनेशन देगा जो ओरिजिनल मेटल से डिविएट अलग हो जाएगा, काफी अलग। यहां नाम दे रखा है बेल मेटल। ना बेल मेटल कैसे बनेगा उसको अंडरलाइन रखेंगे। इट इज गोइंग टू बी व्हेन कॉपर इज गोइंग टू गेट मिक्स्ड विद टिन। सो कॉपर प्लस टिन, इट इज Cu प्लस Sn, राइट? वी विल बी हैविंग समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज द बेल मेटल। अगर मैं कॉपर के अंदर में मिक्स करके दे रहा हूं जिंक, so it is Cu plus Zn, a combination is going to get created and this combination will be called as brass. So दो नाम याद रख लेने के, one is bell metal और दूसरा वाला brass. Bell metal के लिए combination क्या चाहिए मेरे को? Tin going to get added up with copper, and in case we are talking about is the brass, we are talking about addition of zinc into it, and then a new alloy is going to get formed. Where all do we use it? Copper की utilization कहाँ दिखाई देती है? We have got this electric equipments. Now copper is one of those versatile in the electricity passage. बहुत सारे metals, in fact majority of the metals हमने जब छोटी क्लासेस में सीखा था तो क्या सीखा था उसके अंदर में कि they can pass on electricity, है ना? तो ये मेटल्स की प्रॉपर्टी में आता है। जहां हमने मैलेबिलिटी सीखी थी, डक्टिलिटी सीखी थी, सोनोरस, मेक सम साउंड इनटू इट, उसके अंदर एक प्रॉपर्टी और भी सीखी थी, दैट इट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। तो यहाँ कॉपर के अंदर में ये डिफॉल्ट में मिल जाने वाला है, दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हिम इन द इलेक्ट्रिक इक्विपमेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन टेलीफोन्स, रेडियो, टेलीविजन, रेफ्रिजरेटर, एयर कंडीशनर्स। गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो यूज इन इंसेक्टिसाइड्स। पहले हम यूज कर चुके हैं मैंगनीज को इंसेक्टिसाइड के अंदर में। दूसरा एक और मेटल का नाम आ गया तुम्हारे पास, कॉपर, विच इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड एज इंसेक्टिसाइड, राइट? देन वी हैव गॉट इज एक्सप्लोजिव्स। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द TNT, the one of the oldest form of explosive which we had been using. In movies you might have seen that the whole mountain is blown out. That is TNTs. And those TNTs comprises some amount of copper into it. So one of the examples. So explosives, colored glasses, coins, and in printing also we require the copper to be present. Where all we are going to find them? Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. These are the prominent places from where copper extraction do take place. हमको बहुत ज्यादा मिल जाएगा, लेकिन ये केवल 3 स्टेट्स नहीं है। कौन कौन से 3 स्टेट्स की बात हुई है हमारे पास में? झारखंड, मध्य प्रदेश और राजस्थान। Apart from it, और कहां से मिलने वाला है मेरे पास में? We have got Sikkim. Now Sikkim is a unique. You have to remember the area between Nepal on the western side, Bhutan on the eastern side, and there is a small block which is Sikkim. Remember, we have got Nepal something like this. So here I have got is Bhutan, here is Nepal, and this area is Sikkim. Remember about this thing? I got Nepal out here. Then there is a small knob. छोटा सा ऊपर को निकला हुआ हिस्सा इंडिया का, और फिर आ जाएगा भूटान. इसके आगे चलेंगे तो अरुणाचल, ईस्ट की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं. जस्ट हैव टू मेमोराइज इट. So Sikkim and Andhra Pradesh also produce copper, and so found in Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So in Himalayan regions, what you have to remember, we have got 3 states mentioned out there. Himalayan region. One is Sikkim, number 2 is Himachal, and number 3 is Uttarakhand. So 3 states from Himalayas, they are the site of extraction of copper. So they have got copper mines out there. Then I have got this bauxite. Bauxite got its name because it was first found from a place in France called as Lesbos. So Lesbos is that particular place in 1921 where it was discovered for the very first time. We were able to extract it. और Lesbos से बन गया bauxite. तो ये जगह की वजह से इसका नाम bauxite रखा था. और bauxite है क्या? It is basically the ore of aluminium. अब और किसको बोलेंगे? That particular part of the earth in which we find more concentration of mineral. Mineral is available everywhere. Even the soil which we have got in our ground, it will be containing some amount of aluminium. But it will not be so much so कि हम वहां पर machines लगाकर इसका extraction शुरू कर दें. Machines महंगी हो जाएंगी और aluminium जो निकलेगा वो थोड़ा सा. तो कॉस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा और एल्यूमिनियम निकलने वाला का. हर वो जगह जहां से मशीन्स लगाकर रिफाइनिंग की जा रही है और मेरे को मेटल एक्सट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होता है या मिनरल एक्सट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होता दिख रहा है, उसको हमने बोला नाम ओर. तो ओर वो जगह हो गई विच इज द पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट, बट कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वन स्पेसिफिक मिनरल इज मोर. डिड यू गेट इट? ओनली 1 or 2. If I am talking about, this is a ore of iron, so that means it has got much more concentration of iron into it in comparison to any other mineral which is present, any other mineral. And other day we also learned about the various types of ores of iron. Remember about hematite, magnetite, siderite. So what was it? Those were the names which were given to those specific area of earth crust जहां पर एक खास तरह का आयन हमको ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन में मिलता है. ऐसा ही एल्यूमिनियम भी मिलेगा, और एल्यूमिनियम जहां मिलेगा उस ओर का नाम हमने रखा बॉक्साइट. और बॉक्साइट भी नाम क्यों रखा गया? क्योंकि पहली बार ह्यूमंस के हाथ ये लगा था लेस्बॉक्स फ्रांस के अंदर 1921 में, इसीलिए वो इसी की जगह के नाम पर इसका नाम रख दिया है बॉक्साइट. इसकी खासियत क्या है? What is so important about this mineral? This mineral is as sturdy as iron. Sturdy means मजबूत है, खूब लंबे समय तक यूज कर सकते. और इसके ऊपर में एक एडवांटेज ये दिखाई देता है that it does not rust like iron. आयरन को अगर हम खुले में रख दें, we don't take precaution. You know, we have learnt in lower class, you need to paint it, you put some oil into it. ऐसा कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन हमेशा करके रखना पड़ेगा जिसकी वजह से रस्टिंग ना हो. एल्यूमिनियम इससे अलग है. एल्यूमिनियम अगर खुले हवा के कांटेक्ट में भी है, मॉइस्चर में भी कांटेक्ट में है, तो भी इसके ऊपर रस्टिंग नहीं होती. दैट इज डीकंपोजिशन रिएक्शन डज नॉट टेक प्लेस. सो इट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन एज सच. हाउ, व्हाई, दैट इज बीइंग discussed by your chemistry teacher. That is going to be sorted out. So it is also light in weight. Iron in comparison to aluminium is heavy, but aluminium itself is light in weight. See about those brackets out here. Had it been placed instead of aluminium, iron would have been. So it would have become really heavy to open and close it. So it is light in weight. You've got aluminium sections being used in your windows. So these are light in weight. Easily you can slide them. You don't have to put extra effort into it. Strong, durable, and top of it, it is a good conductor of electricity. We assume that one of the best probable conductor of electricity is silver. And next to it, in conduction of electricity, we have got is aluminium. Silver is costly. Aluminium is cheap because of its abundance. खूब सारा मिल जाता है, इसलिए सस्ता है. तो हम हर वो जगह जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ट्रांसमिशन करवाएंगे, भेजेंगे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, हम यूज करेंगे एल्यूमिनियम वायर्स. You might have seen those aluminium wires anywhere which is open. From one pole to another, we have got aluminium wires. We don't use silver wires. Had it been silver wires, things would have been different. We would have cut it, put it in the pocket and gone. लेकिन एल्यूमिनियम के साथ में नहीं, कोई जल्दी से चोरी नहीं करता क्योंकि महंगाई इतना नहीं है. तो सिल्वर को हमने साइडलाइन कर दिया और उसकी जगह एल्यूमिनियम को यूज किया. Apart from it, we use it for domestic utensils. We also use for electric gadgets, colors, and in shipbuilding. When I'm talking about shipbuilding, I'm talking about not even using aluminium in its form. We add certain metals into it so that it becomes much more stronger. एक तो already strong है, लेकिन हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ और चीजों को भी ऐड कर देते हैं, दूसरे और मेटल्स, दूसरा एक अलॉय बना देते हैं. नाम दिया गया उसको ड्यूरेलियम. तो ड्यूरेलियम क्या निकल कर आया है, कैसा अलॉय, एल्यूमिनियम का ही है, लेकिन एल्यूमिनियम से ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया गया. सो ऑल आर एयरक्राफ्ट, these are using this aluminium alloy called as duralium so that they can easily operate for years and years. हवाई जहाज को बार बार मरम्मत की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. You don't have to go and repair it very often. And it is because of this particular metal used in the construction of aircrafts. Bauxite is obtained from Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat. Again, a unique point to remember we have got is the bauxite available in Gujarat, so it becomes a little more important from the point perspective. Where all do we find in Gujarat? So there are special mention about the districts. We have got is Jamnagar, Bhavnagar, Junagadh, Amreli, Surat and Sabarkantha. And apart from it, we are going to find it in the Deccan Trap. Remember, in the very starting I had told you about the Deccan is the area which is called as the reservoir of minerals for India. ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर minerals भरे पड़े. वही Deccan Trap है, that is the area wherein all the minerals are going to remain placed. We are talking about is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. तो Deccan Trap किसको बोला गया? छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू के लिए. तो रांची झारखंड के अंदर में से एल्यूमिनियम मिल गया. अब देखो वापस रिपीट करवा रहा हूं मैं तुमको. झारखंड इज प्लेइंग एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, छत्तीसगढ़ इज प्लेइंग एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, ओडिशा इज प्लेइंग एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन वेरियस minerals up till now which we have discussed, including iron, including copper, including aluminium. So it is that storehouse which has been found out there. Good morning. Mica. Two prominent places from where mica you might have seen. In case not, do try to find it out. One is going to be that iron press. It contains mica. And another thing is your spark plugs. Scooters have got those spark plugs and they contain something which is called as mica. So two things from where you can have it. Mica itself has got some unique properties. And in unique properties, we have got it is fire resistant. It does not allow the fire to spread. Number one. Number two, it is a bad conductor of electricity. Now here, according to social science, it is being told about, but we call it as a dual property, electricity. At certain angles, it will allow the electricity to pass, and in certain areas, it will not allow. So this is a dipole movement which we see. So it is used in making electric goods, such as electric motors, dynamos. Now dynamos are those things which are attached to your vehicles which produce electricity. I had just mentioned about something called as spark plug. Just off record, spark plugs are what? These are that instrument of the engine which is going to create some sparks. Chamak. Kahan par? In engine, where we have got is the compressed air and vapor of the mineral oil. Mineral oil इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि it can be diesel or it can be the petrol. So what we are talking about? We're talking about piston which is going to compress the air, and this compressed air will become heated. It can be easily catching fire, this vapor, and to create that fire we have got is a spark plug attached. So dynamo is running, it is creating electricity. Electricity is passed through this spark plug, and this spark plug is going to create some sparks out here which is going to make the oil burn. This burning will make the piston move. Piston is attached with crank and other stuffs, and we can have the whole machine actually moving. So यहाँ पर हम उस चीज को ही यहाँ याद कर रहे हैं. Dynamo, creation of electricity. We are talking about radio, telephone, cars, steamers. अब यहाँ कार स्टीमर्स के अंदर में तुमको सारे का एक ही एग्जांपल बता दिया that how a dynamo is going to create some electricity and how that electric spark is going to pass on into the engine so that the oil can burn. Now oil can be diesel, it can be CNG or it can be petrol, anything. कुछ कंसेप्ट समझ में आया? तो यहाँ पर आया माइका का इंपॉर्टेंस. Which all areas we have got? Again Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra, and there is special mention about Rajasthan, and wherever you find this Rajasthan, please underline and place a name called as Ajmer. So one particular part in Rajasthan which is quite famous for the production of mica in India, and that too belonging to Rajasthan. तो राजस्थान का एक खास इलाका अजमेर, जहां पर हमको इसकी बहुत अच्छी माइंस निकलती दिखाई देती है. Mica is also found in Karnataka, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu. Now mica itself is going to be of various shades, अलग-अलग कलर्स का आता है, ऑरेंजिश और गोल्डन कलर, व्हाइट कलर. उनमें से एक खास तरह का